This Business in Focus is a paid segment by Back to Health Chiropractic and Wellness Center.
Greetings from the Back to Health Chiropractic and Wellness Center up in Sault Ste. Marie. We are with Dr. Rick. He's been a chiropractor for many, many years all around northern Michigan. And you say things are changing in the patients you see. How is that so?
Well, 19 years ago when I started, back in the day, patients would have some type of acute injury and we'd treat them and they would get better. And then over the years, you'd have patients that would perhaps pick up a pen and their back would go out. So patients nowadays are different than before. And what I find now is that their joints are deteriorating and breaking down. And the three reasons for that is poor nutrition, an autoimmune issue, or even the buildup of toxins in the body.
Okay, so it used to be an injury hurting people. Now it's what's going on inside their bodies. How do you go about addressing that problem?
Well, we got to address the root cause. That's the whole idea. Get to the root cause. And the two main root causes for these type of patients are people with gastrointestinal issues, or those with non-alcoholic fatty liver, which we find in about 50% of people that suffer with obesity.
Okay. And this is all about what people are, a lot of it has to do with what they're eating, but then there are some other extenuating factors as well.
Exactly, and that's the first one, poor nutrition. There's a lot of people that are eating processed foods, number one. Number two, they also have acid reflux issues. Acid reflux is something we treat regularly here in the office, and that is a big problem that usually goes undetected. The other thing is mild allergies to corn or dairy, or as you know, gluten. A lot of people have gluten issues. Yeah. Big problem that causes inflammation and eventually deteriorates our joints.
Okay. And so you're going and you're treating these root causes. You're trying to adjust what's ingested and give them some other supplements, things like that, figuring out the gut health. And then what do you see happening?
Well, here's what happens. Once I start treating them, wouldn't you know, the problem will go away. The joint problem will go away. The pain starts to go away. That's what also happens. And the other strange thing is people start to lose weight because their body is functioning better. So as a result of that, I have patients that walk in the door and saying, what about this weight loss program? Even though it wasn't intended to be weight loss, because we're getting the body to work at its best, the weight comes off.
Yeah.
So that's a nice side bonus. But the thing I like to tell my patients is you can't really medicate pain or lifestyle issues and expect something good to come out of it. We have to get to the root cause and fix you from top to bottom.
There you go. Yeah. That's perfect.
Yeah.
And you have a lot of different ways to do that. You said it would take hours. We don't have hours to talk about that.
That would be a whole seminar.
Yeah. But they can learn more about you by heading to our website, right? We'll put a link to yours, and people can learn more about what you do and how you're getting to the root cause of the problem, helping people feel better, lose weight, all of the good things. So thank you so much, Dr. Rick.
My pleasure. Thank you.
All right. Head to 9and10news.com if you want any more information.
This Business in Focus is a paid segment by Back to Health Chiropractic and Wellness Center.